Hey guys, my name's Jonathan Nichols. I'm a coach in the Michael Blanc program and the founder of Apogee Capital, which is a real estate syndication investment firm my wife and I, Paula, founded together. And I'm standing here today at our recent acquisition, which is a 171 unit property in Lubbock, Texas. We were able to purchase this property at a fantastic basis. In fact, about 40% lower than what prices were just a couple years ago. And that really brings me to what I want to discuss very briefly today, which is where is the multifamily market and why you might want to consider getting into multifamily investing today. So maybe you're a single family investor who's done some fix and flips or has a couple long-term rentals, but you're trying to figure out how you can scale and move to financial freedom. One of the best ways, in fact, I would argue the best way, is through multifamily investing, where you can take advantage of economies of scale with larger units. And so you might say, hey, I've heard this before, that's great, but is now really a good time to be getting into the multifamily investing role? You may hear a lot of negative stories on the news or challenges that have been faced. And so what I want to talk about very briefly is that recently the Fed, as many of you have seen, has began dropping rates. And if you look at a chart of the economic cycle through time, you'll see that one of the best times to buy properties is actually when the cycle is lower. In other words, when there's fear in the market, when pricing's lower, when it's more of a buyer's market, if you will, that's the best time to get in to investing. And that's where we are with multifamily investing today. And what we expect to happen is that now that the Fed is dropping rates to try to keep the economy stable, that will actually boost the prices of multifamily properties over time. Hence why we think now is such a good time to get in the market. Now, personally, what I believe as a multifamily investor is that I'm always looking for great deals in any cycle of the market. But if I see a time like now where there is a unique buying opportunity to get in, obviously I'm going to take advantage of it. And so, if you're on the fence and maybe you've looked at becoming a multifamily investor, I would encourage you to check out some of Michael's courses and curriculum and mentorship programs on multifamily investing, because this once in an economic cycle opportunity is not going to last long. In fact, what I expect to happen is that once the Fed continues to drop rates and investors realize, hey, there's opportunity ahead, we'll see a wave of investors and money back into the market, and people will be paying overinflated prices again for properties. So hopefully this has been useful. Look forward to connecting soon.